Special delivery from space directly from the International Space Station to Kennedy Space Center and back finally to Malta. ASTROBEAT is here. After 1 month in orbit, testing cold-welding adhesion and also streaming music from space. Now I will proceed with the unboxing. I'm really curious to see how it is. So let me open the box here. It's the first time that I do an unboxing of a space experiment. Let's see what there is. Nice. Let's see. Oh, ASTROBEAT, eccolo qua. Here it is. Look, properly protected. So now I will not open the experiment. I just want to see that everything is in order. And guys, I'm a bit emotional because really this little experiment traveled really a lot. It did hundreds of orbits around our planets while being on board the International Space Station, and to have it back here safe and sound, it's amazing. So of course I wanted to avoid contamination of the samples that are inside, so let's reach till the case. I like the packaging. Hats off to the team at Voyager Space that did an amazing packaging job. Guys, this is ASTROBEAT. Oh, welcome home. Look. So now this is the experiment. I'm touching something that on board a SpaceX rocket Falcon 9 with SpaceX mission CRS-31 went on board the International Space Station. Here we have the samples and the experiment that also streamed the music from space, like Moonsits, done in collaboration with Leonardo and Steve Mazzaro. And guys, I feel like a kid. Now the more serious part will start, and to see also how is inside, stay tuned and see you up there.